Today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to the unmarked meet. Here's some of the cars at the front here. We can't go inside just yet because media doesn't go in until 2 p.m. I got here a bit early. Got here around maybe 11 a.m. I know a bit early, but I have nothing else to do. It's going to be pretty fun. There's heaps of cars in there. I already had a bit of a peek when I was walking past. This is going to be fun. You guys are going to love this. So we're actually able to go inside now, and I'm able to show you guys around. We've got Inari here. Surprisingly, I did not expect to see him here today. Out of everyone, I did not expect him. So here's his bike. If no one has seen it yet, we're going to be able to go in and vlog around. I need to go get my media pass before I go in and show you guys around everything. Let me just make sure this is recording. Yeah, it is. Okay, there's actually a lot of nice cars here. I just need to go look for the lady that gives the media pass. End game. Alright, there's a lot of beautiful cars here, guys. Man, this meet is like it's pretty big meet compared to last year. Last year was literally just only here. It's a small portion. Jesus, this Subaru is nice. Last year was literally only hosted here in this area, and it was basically like everyone cramped in. So it's still almost 2 p.m. now, so that's why media is going in. So a lot of beautiful cars here, a lot of different cars as well compared to last year. So I'm just gonna go run around, get my media pass. Alright, bro. Where do we get the media passes from?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. It's actually a pretty big area as well. Thank you so much. Alright guys, we've got a media pass now. Hell yeah. Alright, I don't think I can put it around me, but I'm just gonna hold it around. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of all the cars first. I'm going to show you guys all the cars are here before I do any photos or videos, because I just want to get this helmet off and actually do videos properly. Some familiar cars here. This is Josh's car actually. Pretty sure this is my first time seeing it in person. This is Josh 2J. Oh wow, that's beautiful. It's my first time seeing it in person. A lot of familiar cars here. Nice. Sweet. Yeah, the sombrero. A lot of people like it.
It's so cute.
Yeah, I know.
I was like following you and like complimenting you, but I don't think you could hear me. That's
Bye. Yeah, that's 6 guys. So, alright. So back to resume on the meet. We've got Fortune. There's Josh. Alright, bro.
You got the full
Yeah.
to carry anything set up.
Yeah, definitely. How you been, man? It's been a while.
Yeah, it has been.
Good to see the car in person.
Yeah, right. And
Yeah.
it's clean for once.
Yeah,
as well.
it is.
I've got a detail on it. What are you up to today?
Well, I'm just vlogging around. I'm getting more into YouTube, so I'm gonna vlog the whole place and then
You vlogging now or not?
take some.
Oh, it's not.
Yeah, it's on now. So there you go, Josh.
I'm gonna get some shots forever. I'll see you.
Yeah, see you around, bro. Alright, guys. Nice cars. So we've got Fortune gang here as well. We've got Beamers, we've got JDM, we've got sports cars. We've got literally everything here. I think that Josh's car. Oh, loud. See. Oh, damn. Okay, this is low down. I thought that I saw, no, that was a different RX-7. Okay, this is All Lord. He sold his car to Lowdown now. All the merch here and all that. Look at Lowdown, they're doing good for themselves. Yeah. Oh, shit. Definitely a nice setup here. I really love this S2000. It's like nicely done up. I remember seeing it at the roll racing event. Same as this RX-7, but damn, it's always freaking dirty every time. Like, come on guys, clean it before you bring it. still a bit of dust. Actually, I guess it's probably been sitting here. It's cleaner than last time. Looks pretty beautiful. Got the freaking music blasting and everything. Oh, I don't want to walk in anyone's way. Sorry, bro. It's a bit tragic. No, I'm joking. Sorry, guys. I have to use that pun. We've got all the sports cars here. Wow. I think this is Josh's car. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is Josh's car. So I don't know if you guys have seen me upload this Supra a couple of times. Pretty beautiful Supra. He's nicely done it up. We've got Ferraris as well. Guys, I'm trying to do this as fast as I can because I only have like an hour to take photos and all that. I'll need to vlog this quickly, then I need to take photos before everyone starts coming in. R34 GDR, 34 specs. A lot of new cars I'm seeing today. Literally a lot of new cars. .34 spec. Wow, this is actually pretty nice. Wow, look, you can see. Oh, that's so smart. Oh. Props to Snow Foam and all the same people, like Snow Foam, and you know, like this is a good meet compared to last year's as well. It's even better. Like last year was good, but this year's even better, man. I know this guy. I think I've seen him a couple of times. S15, pretty nicely done S15. I think this is the one from last year as well. This guy's S13, man. I've seen it at Beat the Blues. Wow. Oh wow, look at this 180, guys. I just realised it. Beautiful colour on it as well. Honestly, wow. It's freaking so nice today. Fortune. They definitely didn't go wrong with this meet today. Honestly, definitely didn't. I haven't even, like, this is like only like half of it. I haven't even showed you guys the other side as well. TLD. We've got an E30 if you guys are into BMWs as well. R35, we've got heaps of freaking beautiful cars here. Okay, buy. I think he's giving this thing away. I think he's sold it or something, and they're giving that away. I think they're gonna actually give it away today. Secret GDR. I've seen this guy a couple of times at Raw Racing as well, and so is this NSA. Wow, look at this RX-7, guys. Endgame's here as well. Posted him plenty of times. He has a beautiful R34. Like, I'll never get bored of this R34, and I hope he never sells it. Endgame, don't ever sell it. It's a beautiful freaking R34. We got an Evo here. Oh, someone got a bit too excited. Someone got a bit too excited on this car once they saw it. Jeez, they got way too excited here. 180. Shit. Yeah, some nice cars. 180 here. Another beautiful Supra that I've seen as well. But I really love this RX-7, guys. It actually looks so good. Yeah, this is another beautiful one. Wow. I just love, I don't know why, it's every Supra has the same symbol in the interior, and I love it. Before I start taking photos and videos and all that stuff, I'm gonna go take you guys through the other side as well. That's basically everything for this side of the stuff. Got quite a few photographers here as well. Someone's sitting in the back seat. Will run. Oh shit! You guys see that? Fucking turbo sitting there, mate. Jesus. I think that was the owner. Here's the other section where I first walked in with the eyes and show you I didn't get to show you guys much around properly. I'll run you guys through this side as well. They have a lot of people here, definitely. The secret bit here. Oh, sorry, bro. We got Zerallah here as well. Amazing. Like, this is basically most of like Sydney's like best cars are here. Most of the good cars in Sydney. I don't know. I can't remember off the top of my head if there's any more. But like this is the big boys. You know what I mean? It's getting very hot in this helmet. I need to do a quick run through. Ooh. Quick run through of everything in here. Hey, guys, how you been, bro? Optimal Prime.
You should have seen me when I saw this guy.
But I tripped out when I saw him when he came in.
You didn't know he was coming?
I didn't know. Like, I actually legit tripped out when I saw him driving in. All the boys are coming on. Let me get a video of them coming in.